This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brooke Moran. This move-in ready home checks all the boxes. This beautifully remodeled residence blends modern charm with everyday comfort, offering an open and airy floor plan filled with natural light. The freshly updated kitchen boasts sleek new countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, new cabinetry and backsplash. Each room has been thoughtfully updated with contemporary finishes, fresh paint, and stylish flooring throughout. The master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with a spacious walk-in shower. Step outside to your private, fully fenced backyard oasis, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Whether you're enjoying morning coffee on the new deck or hosting summer barbecues under the charming gazebo, this outdoor space offers the perfect blend of serenity and functionality. There's even ample space to park a boat or RV. Enjoy a brand new roof, new HVAC system, and a new tankless water heater, offering modern efficiency and long-term savings. Just minutes from beautiful Gulf beaches. Easy access to schools, parks, shopping and restaurants. Whether you're a first-time buyer, growing family, or looking for a smart investment, this property is the total package. For more information,